This is perfect. This is a gramophone. It looks like it's in good order. Let's see if it works. So usually we need to crank it 20 times, but I think around 5 or 6 is gonna be enough to see if it works. Let's put the needle on and press the on switch. I think it's this one. All right, it definitely works. So I think we can flip this. This definitely has a good market niche. Let's see how much we can buy it for. And we're back. And you know what? $100 for this? Not bad, I think. Especially that all the mechanical parts are still working. It's really good. Ah, the vinyl. Can you hold this, please? Thanks. Okay, so the vinyl table seems to be in really good shape. I'm just seeing some little blemishes and rust on all the metal pieces. We're gonna fix that. I think we have to pay a lot of attention to the handle, where I'm gonna put a leather band around. We're gonna stitch it up and it's gonna look real crisp. The inside is more or less okay. I think only refreshing the logo with some gold paint or gold leaf, just so it pops out. What we really need to pay attention to is the outside. It's seen a lot of wear and tear, and I think this is what's going to be the most time-consuming. Let's spray some WD-40 on this screw so we can release the label holder, and that way we'll be able to restore the beautiful logo. Look how brand new it looks. Amazing. Now that it's off, we can easily work on the logo by applying some textile gold paint on the existing pattern. Time to remove some rust and make this metal shiny again. Let's use the rotary tool for this. Now that we have everything cleaned and fixed, I'm going to focus my attention on the outside by applying some leather compound repair. I've left the repair compound to sit for 5 hours, and I'm using this rag to get the texture of the leather. Now all that's left to do is paint the outside black and fix all the blemishes. The painting's done, and it's looking really good, much better than before. All that's left to do are a couple of finishing touches, and let's start with attaching this leather handle. All right, guys, it's finally done, and I must say it's looking pretty good. Now all we have to do is upload it to an online bid and see for how much we can flip it. Guys, it's been 1.5 weeks and we did it. We sold it. The bid was a success. Check this out. We bought it for $100. We put in around $40 worth of materials into it. We sold it for $348. That gives us $208 of profit. How good is that? Guys, let me know next time what you want me to flip. See you later.